Hey guys, I'm coming up with another video here with my zippo. I just sprayed it actually gold tonight, so because I didn't really like the red, I didn't finish the back though, so it's still red on the back and gold on the front. I don't know, I might keep it like that. But yeah, it's Caution Skate Zone coming at you with Hayden and Derek. So I'm just gonna do another zippo trick. It's called the Flick Spin Flick. I don't know if that's the actual name of it, but I saw this one guy do it and I thought it was pretty cool. So here it goes. I'll just do it one more time. So yeah, comment on my Zippo if you think it's nice. It's probably not though. I put a little vinyl details on the back. I don't know if you can see it though. So yeah, see you later guys.